Aminin natin, may panahong tayo ay nagiging motivated. Kumbaga ay hindi ka nadidistract, hindi ka nagagambala, at focus na focus ka lang sa iyong ginagawa. Pero minsan, hanggang sa simula lang ito, at lilipas na lang ang panahon ay nawawalan ka na ng gana, lalo na kung paulit-ulit mo lang itong ginagawa. So here are some tips on how to maintain motivation over time. Remember your why. Tanungin mo sa sarili mo kung bakit mo ba ito ginagawa. When you know why you started, it's easier to keep going during difficult times. Set small achievable goals. Magsimula sa maliit na gawain muna. Every small win builds confidence and keeps you motivated. Create daily habits. Don't rely on motivation alone. Gumawa ng routine at habits na makakatulong sa pag-progress ng iyong ginagawa. Learn from setbacks. Failure is part of the journey. Instead of giving up, treat mistakes as lessons that help you grow stronger. Focus on consistency. Lahat tayo may mali at dapat gawin natin itong lesson to improve more so that we can be consistent sa ating ginagawa. Success isn't about staying motivated every day. It's about staying committed even when motivation disappears. Keep going, trust the process, and your consistent efforts will pay off. You can do it!